Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. In today's video, I will be doing my go-to wavy hair tutorial. So a lot of you guys have been asking me how I create these curls that I'm always posting on my Instagram, on my TikTok, filming videos. This is my go-to curly hair, wavy hair tutorial slash routine, I guess you could say. But I'm so excited to show you guys how I get these curls, these waves. They have a lot of volume, a lot of bounce. So I'm so excited to tell you guys that this video is sponsored by Luisa Jewelry. They actually sent me these gorgeous hoops. They are so pretty. They sent me some other stuff, and guys, I am obsessed with the stuff that they sent me. I'm gonna link all the jewelry pieces that I showed today down below, and I'm gonna link their website down below. They have a sale going on right now for Mother's Day, so it's buy one get one for 35% off. I'm gonna link everything down below if you guys want to check it out. But this is adorable. Oh my god, do you guys see that? So this is the month of May necklace. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has the emerald stone, which is the May stone, and on the back it has number 5 for May. When I saw it, I was like, I need that because this is so adorable. I was born in May 22nd, Gemini here, you already know. And I love the month of May. I don't know if you guys are like that, but the month of my birthday is like my favorite month. Oh my god, I love it. It looks so cute. I'm just gonna leave it on because it's adorable. I wanted to collaborate with this luxury brand because they focus on sustainability, and they also recycle like 100% of the gold that they use for their pieces, which is really cool. Most of these pieces are very affordable. You can find something for $40 that is good quality and that will last a very long time. Okay, so these earrings right here, I am obsessed. Like, how adorable. And they have a bigger size too, but I really wanted to get these small ones because I love small jewelry. I love these so much, and I can picture myself wearing these in the spring, now in the spring and in the summer. And I feel like this would be a perfect gift for your mama or for Mother's Day. So yeah, I'll link the pieces down below. Thank you so much to Luisa for sponsoring today's video. So I'm gonna start by blowing out my hair because my hair is wet right now. But first I have to prep my hair. You guys probably know by now that I am obsessed with this spray. So this is the Drybar Prep Rally spray. So the blow dryer that I'm gonna use today to blow out my hair is the Hot Tools. This one is so good. Like, if you guys are looking for a blow dryer like this that has the brush attached to it, which is like a very easy way to blow out your hair, by the way. I have a lot of videos using this tool, so if you guys want a more like dedicated video about this tool, I'll link it down below. I'm just gonna fast forward through this because I want this to be kind of like a fast process for this video because I'm going to focus more on how I create the curls. Okay guys, I am back. My hair is blown out. It's not perfect, but it's what I need for the next step. I'm gonna be using my go-to hair tool to create the waves that I love, that I have been doing a lot lately, and that tool is this one from T3 Micro. So I've tried a couple of hair tools for curling your hair. Like I've tried some curling wands and some other type of hair tools like the Chi Spin and Curl that I have actually right here. I love this one too, but this gives you like a tighter curl. So today I want more like a looser wave, like a more natural wave. So I'm gonna use this one, and I love this one. It curls your hair so quickly. It's really good quality. It doesn't pull your hair. Sometimes when I curl my hair with a straightener, I mean, you can get some curls, but the curls are not consistent. They're kind of different from each other. Like all the curls that you get from this tool are like pretty much the same, so it looks very like organized, consistent, nice, put together, and this does not pull your hair. So that's what I like about curling wands. Sure, you can burn your fingers, so be careful. I had to put you guys back a little bit because my hair is actually growing. It's pretty long, and I'm like super excited about that, by the way, but I feel like you guys can only see like this much when I'm like too close from you guys, and like even now you guys can't even see the ends. Like my hair's growing and I'm so excited. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a small section, maybe like 1 inch, so maybe like this. So I place the hair and go away, so away from the face. I want to do this for the front pieces because I just think it looks more flattering that way. So I'm doing it away from the face, but then I'm gonna kind of do some like towards the face just to kind of give it a different, more natural look. So I leave it there for about 8 seconds or 10, and I just let it go, and there you have it. You have like the perfect curl. It's so pretty and I love it. I love it. I love this tool. I really do. It's an amazing tool. So for this section I'm gonna do it like towards the face, so the other direction, just to kind of give it a more natural look. So leave it there for a little bit and then just let it fall. Okay, so we're done with this section, and now we're gonna do the top. That was super fast, by the way. So this one I'm gonna do away from the face because it's like in the very front, so it's gonna be more flattering if it's away from the face. And then I just release the curl, and that's what it looks like. But yeah guys, this is definitely like my go-to curly hairstyle. Some people like to leave the ends out a little bit, but I like to bring it in the most that I can. I do want the ends to curl too. I just feel like it looks funny when like all your hair is like curly and then the ends are like bang, like straight. I don't know, I don't like that look, but I can see how it is kind of like a more natural wavy look that way. But I just like to bring in the ends the most I can because I like everything to just be curly. So there's another one. So the next step is to actually just run your fingers through your hair, so like this, just to kind of loosen up the curls a little bit. As you can see, it's starting to look like it has more volume, like this side compared to this side. So I love that. So I'm always like running my fingers through my hair, and yeah, this is how you get more volume, guys. But yeah guys, this is what my hair is looking like. I really like how my hair turns out. It looks very healthy, shiny, bouncy, a lot of volume, and it was super easy to do. What took me the most time was really blowing out my hair because I have naturally curly hair, but I really like how my hair turns out. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos every single week, mainly about hair. So if you like this video and if you like my channel so far, go ahead and subscribe, show some love. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.